Happy Easter, happy spring. I got stoned for Easter and I went around the grocery store and I got what I could. I got a store-bought pre-iced cake. We can talk about popcorn balls. We're gonna make a Easter Cosmo. We're also gonna talk about icing. To whip up homemade icing, it's very easy. Powdered sugar, butter, vanilla, heavy cream, or even half and half. I just want to take my icing and add some green food coloring. I'm also gonna make green coconut. And listen, if you're gonna get high during this pandemic, try not to smoke. Just do edibles and oils and tinctures. Oh my god, cannabis tinctures. And then I just put the grass down around the bottom to create a little nest. Look it's a pretty little Easter basket cake. Jelly beans. To make a little bunny patch. Sometimes I dab a tampon in CBD oil. I let it sit for a long time. Then I put it up my butt. Then I sit for a long time. Doesn't even get me high. I just like it. It relaxes me. Look these bunnies are the disciples. Now, the pièce de résistance, the ultimate bunny goes on top. That's the Jesus bunny. Now more grass. Cute chocolate jimmies. I said jimmies. And chocolate eggs. They're like pregnant jimmies. Let's talk about one thing, and that is popcorn balls. I made these for you last night. It's just popcorn. You can pop that off yourself. Then you mix it in melted butter and marshmallows. Popcorn balls. Guess what time it is? It's cocktail time. Aunt Sandy's favorite Easter Cosmo. 2 shots of vodka. Glug, glug, glug. Cranberry juice. Orange liqueur. Lime juice. Good. Wow. Feel free to add some tinctures. Oh, so good. Then you gotta put a peep on it. So cute. And shout out to all the weed delivery services out there tonight. Emerald City Weed Fleet, Grass Pass, Rasta Dutchie Rickshaw Runner, Trailblaze East, Weed Wagon West, Dab and Dash, King Kush Caboose, Sticky Green Fatty Blunt Bus, Flower Power Winnebago, Mary Jane's Strains and Automobiles, 323 Paging Dr. Green, the Irby Hancock Park Collective. And while I'm shouting people out, the Hungry Howie's Pizza community. Not for nothing, y'all are killing it. Go ahead, fam. Do that thing. And just happy Easter, everyone. Mwah! From Sandra Lee and my top shelf.